Welcome to Engage Math Pre-Algebra Lesson 18, Problem 7. So we are only going to use the numbers 4 and 6, and we have to make sure that we have 1 point located in each quadrant. So let's start with quadrant 1. If we're in quadrant 1, both the x and the y coordinate have to be positive. So we could either do 4, 6, or we could make the 6 the x coordinate and the 4, the y coordinate. Either way, we're in quadrant 1. Okay, if we're in quadrant 2, I kind of reminded you of the quadrants over here, but if we're in quadrant 2, then the x coordinate is negative, but the y coordinate is still positive. So we could either have negative 4, 6, or we could have negative 6, positive 4. So either way, we would be in quadrant 2. Quadrant 3. So now both the x and the y have to be negative. So we could either have negative 4, negative 6, or we could have negative 6, negative 4. Okay, and then for the fourth one, for quadrant 4, the y has to be negative and the x positive. So we could either have 4, negative 6, or we could have 6, negative 4. And you can see in each one why the x or the y coordinates, either both are positive, both negative, or one of each, depending on which quadrant we want to be in. Thanks for joining us today at Engaged Math.